Letter G. This is the lowercase g. G makes the g sound, like in the word grapes. G as in grapes.
Put the ball with the letter G, with the bat. G. Keep up the good work. Put the hat with the letter S on the hippo. S. S. Nice. Put the hat with the letter G on the penguin. G. Nice work. Put the ice cream with the letter B on the cone. B. Super! Drag the letter G to the rabbit. G. G. Woohoo! G. Woohoo! Drag the letter G to the rabbit. G. Woohoo! Good work! You dragged the letter G to the rabbit. Drag the letter O to the rabbit. Drag the letter O to the rabbit. Aw. Woohoo! Aw. Woohoo! Aw. Woohoo! Aw. Woohoo! Good work! You dragged the letter O to the rabbit. Trace the lowercase letter G. Great! You traced the letter G.
Hi there. This is the uppercase letter J. The letter J makes the J sound, like in the word jam.
Feed the letter J to Olo. J. Yay! You fed the letter J to Olo. Feed the letter J to Olo. J. Yay! You fed the letter J to Olo. Feed the letter J to Olo. J. Yay! You fed the letter J to Olo. Feed the letter R to Olo. R. Yay! You fed the letter R to Olo. Feed the letter R to Olo. R. Yay! You fed the letter R to Olo. Feed the letter R to Olo. R. Yay! You fed the letter R to Olo. Which one has the letter J? Tap it.
J.
Super duper! Which one has the letter G? Tap it.
G.
Sweet! Which one has the letter J? Tap it.
J.
That's right. Which one has the letter O? Tap it.
O.
Yay! Trace the uppercase letter J. Great! You traced the letter J.
Dice and type it on your keyboard before it reaches the ground. 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 Awesome! 3 1 3 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 Awesome! 3 4 1 4 3 4 2 4 2 4 1 4 Fantastic! 3 5 2 3 5 4 3 4 3 5 3 5 1 2 Perfect! Perfect! Way to go! Good! Congratulations!